Trasy Enterprises introduces its semi-automatic adhesive tape slicing machine, designed for efficient, accurate, and user-friendly tape processing. This machine is specially engineered to meet the needs of manufacturers seeking precise slicing of jumbo rolls into smaller, tightly wound log rolls. The system incorporates a magnetic powder brake to maintain constant tension, ensuring uniform roll winding and excellent finish quality. An electronic length counter monitors and controls the roll length with accuracy, eliminating human error and guaranteeing consistent output. Slice cutting is powered by a pneumatic piston mechanism, which provides smooth, controlled movement for clean and precise cuts. To set the required tape width, the machine employs mechanical markings, allowing operators to quickly adjust and repeat standard sizes with reliability. The video demonstration highlights the slicing of HDPE fabric tape, coated with 40 GSM hot melt pressure sensitive adhesive and laminated with 70 GSM release paper. The machine delivers rolls of 50 meters in length and 48 millimeters in width, showing its ability to handle specialized adhesive coated substrates with ease. Compact in design yet robust in construction, the semi-automatic slicing machine is well suited for small to medium-scale tape production units. It offers a cost-effective solution while maintaining high standards of accuracy and repeatability. Whether for packaging tapes, industrial adhesive tapes, or specialty coated materials, this machine ensures consistent performance, minimal wastage, and superior productivity. With its combination of precision engineering and operator-friendly controls, Trasy Enterprises continues to deliver advanced solutions for the adhesive tape industry.